Okay, I'm unboxing my Army Man toys. So this is Army Man's. I buy it from the plaza. It's 61 pesos. I buy this because there's a lot. God. Oh my God. Let me see. Okay, look at it, guys. God, this is the Tan Army. This is the Green Army. Oh, this is M16. Oh, God. What are you doing? Okay. Oh my God, this is the Tan Army. The Tan Army or the Desert Camouflage, and this is the Green Army. They're so cool. I like to buy this. Whoa, this is a gas mask, guys. This was favorite. This is the grenade. The grenader. And this is the bazooka, guy. So cool. There's nothing to aim, bro. If they're just face, bro. Even when someone's fighting, but this is so sucks. Only just pose. But the bazooka man is really nice. Oh. Bro, again, they're just doing pose, not fire. I only like the bazooka, guys. Okay, look at my collection. I got the 19 Green Army soldiers, guys. This is so epic. This is the bazooka, man. It's a lot. Now we are going to arrange the Tan Army or the Desert Camouflage Army. And again, 19 soldiers in the Tan Army. Okay, that's all, guys. Bye.